We usually treat an insect in the house like a random, unpredictable breach of our defenses, reacting with immediate chemical retaliation. In reality, insects are highly efficient survival machines. They follow precise environmental signals, food, moisture, and shelter, to find their way inside. This flowchart illustrates the failure of chemical sprays. They neutralize the visible symptom, but the root cause, the massive colony outside, remains active and continues generating new explorers. This cycle introduces toxins into your home and fails to address the breeding cycle happening just a few feet away. True control comes from manipulating these environmental signals to render your home entirely undetectable to their senses. Effective pest control succeeds through biological signal jamming. Insects rely on highly sensitive olfactory receptors to navigate and locate resources from a distance. Specific botanical compounds, like those found in peppermint and lavender, actively overload these biological receptors. These plant compounds create a sensory wall, preventing the insect from detecting the attractants inside your home. Ants use a similar olfactory strategy, laying down invisible chemical roadmaps called pheromone trails. Because these trails guide the entire colony to your food, a simple solution of acetic acid, or vinegar, dissolves and permanently erases them. By managing the olfactory landscape, you strip insects of the primary tool they use to find your kitchen. Scent is only one vulnerability. We can also exploit the insect visual spectrum. Many nocturnal insects treat bright white and blue-toned artificial lights as homing beacons. Shifting to warmer, yellow-toned lights effectively drops your home off their visual radar by moving outside their visibility zone. Insects also face significant physical limitations, specifically the weak flight mechanics of mosquitoes and flies. These pests require still air to navigate. A constant air current from a fan disrupts their landing sequences and prevents them from entering the space. Strategically altering light and air currents creates a fortified structure without using poison. The final step is resource deprivation. Eliminating standing water, open trash, and crumbs removes the baseline survival signals that draw insects in. Combining these strategies creates a living space that is biologically and physically irrelevant to the insect world. Unlike chemical methods, this systematic approach bypasses the risk of creating resistant pest populations. This also preserves natural outdoor predators, allowing them to regulate insect populations and maintain a balanced ecosystem around your home. Passive environmental design wins the war by ensuring the battle never even begins.